How to resize image in Canva without cropping. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Canva application and then select an image over here on the Canva application that you would want to resize without cropping. So make sure that you have logged into your account as well. So also make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection so that you can have easy access. Now as you can see, I've already selected an image. Now if I try to resize this image, it will cut certain parts whenever I try to zoom in, right? So what I can do is just tap on the picture and then go to the position option over here. As I tap on position, go to the advanced option and here you can see the height and width of this image. So just mention and remember, and either you can copy down this measurement. So the height is 540 and the width is 810. So just go to the new page and then tap on create a design and tap on custom size. Now just go to the height and width and just select the exact size, then tap on create new design, and as you tap on new design, it will give you a new page over here. So as the new page appears over here, all you have to do is just tap on the template for now, and let's just remove this text over here and then tap on elements and select the element or the photo that we have just used. So as you tap on that, now when we try to resize this, it will not be cropped. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.